All right, let's talk about Joomla workflow. By workflow, I mean what's the process we go through to get our articles on our website. I can't stress this first point enough. And the guy in this next video probably should have listened to it.
Getting married is a big step in your life, and yeah, it is really a great thing. For us, it worked out good. At the time when we got married, I was kind of pressured into it, but I'm glad I did now. And getting married was a good. Well, I was pressured into getting married. What? Well, I didn't mean to bring up. I'm just saying it was a tough time. I didn't really want to get married at the time. What?
I can't believe this.
No, getting married. I didn't mean it. I love you, but you guys, listen. Good luck with your marriage.
The moral of this story then, of course, is plan what you want to say, prepare what you want to say what you want to say. I bet this poor guy spent more than just a few nights on the couch. If only he had paid attention to this first step. Plan your content. Now, I know that's not fun and it's not diving right in, and for some of us, we really like just to dive right in. It's not the best way. Remember the video in session 1? Building that plane in the sky? Well, the real secret behind getting the plane built before you ever take off and having a better flight with your website is planning. So let me strongly suggest, that you take that first step seriously. Plan out your content. Beyond that, Joomla breaks your content down into 3 types of articles. One is a section. Now, sections are broad categories, broad ideas of content. If we were building a website about the movies, our sections might be movie information, movie gossip, movie stars. Under each one of those, then, would be categories. Categories are the more narrowly defined articles of information. So under our movie information section, we might have romantic comedy, drama, and action as categories. Then under those categories, we'd have articles that would fit into each one. So under romantic comedy, you might have Romancing the Stone if you're old like me, or if you're young like my daughter, Hitch. Under action movies, you might have a good Arnold, I'm here to pump you up kind of movie. And, that would be a good place to put those. Unless, of course, it's Kindergarten Cop, which we're not really sure why Arnold made that movie. The last kind of article you can have is uncategorized. Now, an uncategorized article is one that just doesn't fit into a category. The trick there is you have to have the 4th part of the Joomla workflow in order to get to that article, and that's menu. Sections, category, article, menus. Now, I know in our course we went through menus first, and that's because it appears first in the menu structure. But in reality, it's the last part of the Joomla workflow. So, sections, categories, articles, menus. That's the Joomla workflow.